What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Assault Industries Bed Enclosure on this Polaris RZR Turbo R. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is remove this T40 here, as well as this T40 here. Now we're going to remove this T40 here. Now we're going to remove this one as well. Now we're going to grab the rear portion of our bed enclosure, line up the tabs with the threaded holes on the bed. Then we're going to grab two of our 10mm headed bolts and we're going to thread them in to the factory threads. And we're not going to fully tighten this hardware just yet. We're just going to get it hand started. Now we're going to grab our right side bracket and align it with the rear section of our bed enclosure. And then we're going to grab our short hardware here. There'll be Allens. We want to make sure we install our flat washers to the Allens, and then grab two of our nylock nuts. Just align it with the bed enclosure like this. Take our hardware, slide it through. Sit like that. Start our nuts. And we're just going to repeat the same steps for the driver's side. Slide the hardware through. Start our nuts. So now we're going to take our spacer, slide it behind our bracket, take our hardware, line it up with the spacer, and then line our hardware up with the factory threaded hole where we removed our factory hardware previously. Just want to get your hardware hand started just like that. Now we're going to fully tighten all our hardware. All right guys, so once you've fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install the Assault Industries Bed Enclosure System on this Polaris RZR Turbo R. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.